What is up, everybody? Welcome back to 23rd Garage. Today we are back on the Ram 1500. We need to get this thing painted. As you can see, we've already got it in the booth. So what we are going to do now is we're going to line everything off with some tape and get some plastic on it. All right, so we cleaned up the truck and obviously we taped it up. You guys can see that. We are going to go ahead and tack everything down, and Paul is going to spray a blending sealer, right? Is that what it's called?
It's like a clear base coat, but it's also an adhesion promoter, so it helps the paint stick. What the main reason for it is the areas that we're going to blend. If I don't spray that and cover up the scratches, then whenever I'm spraying my base coat, oftentimes that base coat will set down into those scratches and you'll see them. So it just makes it easier for blending. So we got the clear base coat down. The next step is we actually need to seal the front fenders and that rear left cap corner. But we also, before we throw the orange base, we have to tape off the bottom half since it's already the same color. So we're gonna go ahead and line off the bottom half and also tape off these doors. We don't want all that sealer spraying onto our blend panels. It's just gonna make it easier to not use as much paint. We don't need to be covering sealer that's sprayed onto the door.
So Paul got the last bit of base coat down, and we are ready for the clear coat. It's looking beautiful. You can see we took the tape off the bottoms of the doors so we can clear coat everything together. And hopefully it turns out just as good as the bed did. So good luck to you, Paul.
Yep.
Good luck, sir. Good luck, sir. Make it beautiful. Just like that, the truck is done. It looks amazing. Super happy with how it turned out. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. It looks really good. I can't wait to put this thing back together. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow? Or day after that?
Day after.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cold, so we might have to give it a day or two. Let it all set up and dry up, since we don't have a baker in the booth. Which that would be really nice. If we had a baker booth, you could just bake this thing for 15 minutes and it'd be dry to the touch. But it is what it is, and you know, can't complain. Looks really good.
Yeah, I
I'm
like
happy
this
with
color, dude. This is probably up there with one of my favorite colors.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice color. It's a dog to spray. Just ask Paul. It sucks spraying, but you know, Paul did a great job on it. We're very grateful for his skills and his patience and dedication. Very nice, very nice. Super happy. Hey, this is a really good idea to put this hood back here too.
Yeah, it definitely helped me.
Yeah.
Being so short.
So if you guys are ever painting a truck that's tall, just take the bed off and put the hood on the back.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Good tip right there.
Yes, sir. Just take the whole bed off.
Man, I'm glad it turned out
All right,
good.
let's wrap this up.
Yep. That's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out, keeps us motivated. And also check us out on Instagram at 23rd_. garage.
So-
And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.